Hi, I'm John Taylor with Blaze Audio, now officially Blaze Audio by Sonance. We are at InfoComm 2025. My job here is the technical sales system. We were brought in from the Blaze Audio family to join the Sonance family. That will be official with us on the 1st of July. We are bringing in very high-tech amplifier solutions to complement full solutions for Sonance and be able to tie into their speaker lines. We are also bringing with us our performance level speakers and amplifier solutions and technology and designs to be able to take Sonance from where they are now well into the future and give them huge capabilities that's going to make us grow at insane levels for the next several years, and then we're going to see what we can do with it from there. For more information, she has to remind me, the lady behind the camera, who's lovely, by the way. For more information, sonance.com. That's SONANCE.com. Appreciate it. Y'all have fun at InfoComm.